Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create a 𝗪𝗪𝗧 lighting effect in Lens Studio using Blender. But before starting it, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorials. Now let's start it. So if you have not yet installed the Blender software, do install it to follow me. So here I am going to show you how to create 64 planes. It's very simple. So first thing, select this box and delete it, and then go to add and mesh and choose plane. Now we have created the plane. Now we will going to change some of the value. In this case, put the X value to 0.5 and rotation to 90 degree to make the plane to look like this. Now go to modifier, add modifier, choose array. Now change the count to 64 and disabling the relative offset and enabling the constant offset, and change the Z value to 0.02. Now we have created the 64 planes, which is stuck with each other. Now when you created this, just go to file and export as 𝗡𝗢𝗧 format. Name the file, in this case I am saving as 𝗪𝗪𝗧. Just click on export. After creating the 64 planes in Blender, now we have to import in Lens Studio. So there are two ways to import the file. Just go to left hand side, you will see plus sign, click on and select your file. Another way is to simply drag and drop the file. After we added the file, now open the file and drag and drop into object panel. See, this is how it's looking, but right now we have not yet added material and texture, so I am going to add it now. So go to left hand side, click on plus sign and select graph empty. Now select the plane and click on choose material and select the graph empty. Now you see it's full white, and now select graph empty and then change the blend mode to add, and then double click on graph empty to open the material editor. So in here there is two ways to add node. First, just click on plus sign and choose your node, or simply right click on your mouse and select your node. Now we will choose texture 2D parameter and then mix node to control opacity, and then choose float parameter and then select mix node and change the channel to X, and now connect the node texture 2D parameter to mix parameter and mix parameter to shader. Now select the graph empty and go to inspector, and in custom map choose device camera texture. Now go to material editor. As you can see, light is coming. To bring the effects, select the float parameter and connect to mix node. That's all, only we all have to give some value. Just select the float parameter and enable the min and max. Now give the value, like step value to 0.001 and max value to 0.25 and min value to 0.05. Now go to inspector, and below you will see custom float. Just increase and decrease and you will see the effect. Now check out on different videos. Note, you can give own value too. So filter is ready, 𝗪𝗪𝗧 lighting effect. Hope you like it. Do comment and tell me how is it. I already made this, you can try it on, link is given in the description box. And yes, if you want this file, read the description carefully to get this Blender file. See you soon on next tutorial. Till then, take care, enjoy the video and create your own lens. Bye.